My aim is to talk about these live lessons that I'm doing in 3 minutes or under. But I'm so excited about this particular project that I don't know if I'm going to manage it. I've re-recorded this several times. So I'm Rachel, I'm a home educating parent of 3 kids, and I work for the Twinkle Home Ed team. The Twinkle Home Ed team, mainly with Chrissy, do amazing live lessons every weekday morning, and I'm going to start doing some on the afternoon too. I'll be doing one on a Monday that you can find out about here, and I'll be doing one on a Wednesday called Changemakers. It'll go live at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on our Facebook page and on YouTube, but you can watch it anytime afterwards. You can catch up really easily through both of those places. And it's all about how we can make a difference in the communities around us. And the reason why this is close to my heart is because this is the main reason why I home educate. It wasn't the reason I started home educating, but it's become so important to us that because we home educate, my kids get to be involved in community every day. They get to be helped by others in community, they get to help others, they get to very clearly see some of the amazing things in the world around us, but some of the broken things around too. And I love that for them. I love that they get to experience all of that. And I started to think, as I was thinking about like what kind of skills do I want to teach my kids, and I started realizing how important certain skills were if you want to make a difference and you want to be a change maker. And I wanted to explore that a little bit with other people. So over the 6 weeks of live lessons, hopefully you'll like them and I can do more of them. But over the 6 weeks, we're going to go from identifying and researching some of the problems in your community that you and your kids feel need to be changed, to formulating a plan, gathering with other people and starting to put it into practice. And each week, for about 30 minutes, we'll be exploring that. The first 10 minutes will just be a little bit of interaction, some games, a bit of fun, and then we're going to meet some change makers. I'm interviewing a lot of people just like me, just like you, just normal people who are making a difference where they are, and find out and learn from them. And then we're also going to be exploring, like I said, some of those core skills that are really meaningful and purposeful, because it's not just learning them for the sake of it, it's learning these skills to be able to really make a difference in the world around us. I'm really excited about this. We're going to be talking about some issues of social justice. We're going to be thinking about kind of the bigger world around us, but bringing it right down into what difference can you make on your street that is going to help others. It's going to be, like I said, really practical, hopefully interesting, and I would say it's for all ages. It's for the whole family, or maybe a few different families together to really get stuck into. You can turn up to the lessons with nothing and still engage in them, but there is going to be a free download of just one sheet each week to make a little zine. A lot of social justice movements have used zines to spread their ideas, to have a kind of unique way of presenting their thoughts. So we're going to have a go at making some ourselves. So you'll get a template, the kids can fill in different bits during the lesson. There'll be times to jot down things, they can doodle on it, they can do whatever they want with it. And there's going to be space for you to make some plans together as well. And then you do a quick cut in it, you fold it up, it's really easy. And you'll be making this little zine that you can keep in your pocket, pull it out to share your project with other people. You can stick it in a folder if you want, hang it up on the wall, whatever you need, so that you're going to have a little, literally little running narrative of your project as well. So I'm excited about this. I don't know if that was 3 minutes or not. If you have any other questions, please put them below. And again, if you want to know about any more of our live lessons, then click the link up here. I'm excited to see you in January. I'm excited to see what different projects might happen as a result of this. And so definitely get in touch if this is something that you are interested in. You can talk to me on our Instagram page, you can talk to me via Facebook or in the comments below, and we can maybe bounce some ideas off each other as well, because this is really a community project. Anyway, I've talked enough. Have a great evening and I'll see you soon.